patrol came under attack from several bandits between Commodore and Gwari. The aggressor was calling for process support, and it was observed that the number of bandits were really many, maybe close to 200 or more. There was heavy gunfire. We lost a truck. The report on that particular encounter is yet to be supplied to the HQ now. Well, I can tell you that several terrorists were killed, and in their usual way, you see them evacuating their deaths. When we get that report at headquarters for the end components, we're going to make it available to the press. If that is possible today, please just look out for it. So avoid any speculation. Thank you. Where there's an ongoing operation, that's the Operation White Stroke. And the intel came from several sources, and even to the commander of that operation, to the air components, that there was planned by terrorists within that area to carry out a massive attack. And that there was a secondary school in question that also planned to kidnap students. To that extent, the Air Force carried out surveillance. Remember, there have been several intel that came up to that. But this particular intel, there was surveillance. And the surveillance confirmed terrorists, and I mean terrorists. And how do you know that they are terrorists? Because they have tactics that they adopt. You see them coming on bikes, in triples, converging at the location, and after that they disappear, hiding under the foliage. And that surveillance continued for almost throughout the day, until later in the evening when a truck appeared in that scene. The truck was suspected to have brought logistics to them. And that was why approval was given by the appropriate authority that that truck should be taken out. And the truck was taken out. Now, if anyone is coming around to say innocent people were killed, has the press asked them, where is the photograph of the truck that brought the capsule that they are talking about? The claim is that they came there to come and collect their capsule. Now, if you say people died, where is the truck? Where are the capsule that was struck? Where is the photograph of the dead body? And if you do your own investigation, you discover that if you say people died from a strike, there's going to be a way the body will look. Did the press do that? They didn't do that. And you seem to have taken position with those who, for whatever reason, want to put the military in disrepute. The position of the Air Force is that terrorists were struck that day. And whether it is Mietiala or whatever group, I think they were innocent people, let them provide the evidence. If you think the military is going to give you the evidence of that operations for now, you won't get it. Because there are information that cannot be declassified now. But let's put the burden on the people. If they came there to collect their cows, where are the cows that were killed? Where is the picture of the truck that was struck? How did those people die? I think the press says you need to do better than this. And if you look at it, after that particular incident, have you heard of any terrorist activity in that area? Have you heard? So I think we need to do much better. No innocent person was killed. Let the people who say innocent citizens were killed provide the evidence. And let the press do the analysis. And then the truth will come out.